There is a particular drive that we have in Gauteng, and I'm speaking on behalf of the economic development function in the province. We believe that it starts here. If there's a need to set the trend, that is what we need to do. It's a cliche, if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. Gauteng Industrial Development Zone, it's a special purpose vehicle that's 100% owned by Gauteng Growth Development Agency. The sole mandate of the Gauteng Industrial Development Zone is to operate an industrial hub in and around our Tambo International Airport, which we like to call OTIA ACZ. The major aim is to develop a world-class industrial park at the airport, which has logistics capacity of close to 40,000 tons per annum for air freight, to develop a OR Tambo ACZ around that precinct, 7.5 hectares of which is on the precinct of the airport itself, close to 29 hectares adjacent to the airport. Northern Precinct will be an agro-processing facility. It is one of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere, with the largest refrigeration in the Southern Hemisphere.
Across the world, we're in uncertain times. To make a major capital investment like this is actually very difficult for companies, and this isn't just a South African issue, it's a global issue. The fact that government were willing to partner with us gave us a lot of confidence to be able to make our own investment on the back of that. That partnership is critical to giving us the confidence to invest.
We look at sustainable growth, but we make very responsible investments. We're also very mindful of communities around us. That's key for us.
The agro-processing factory might employ 600 people, but the number of jobs that the value chain itself creates goes as close to 5,000. This was just a match made in heaven.
2010, we had a single site business that employed 1,000 colleagues and turned over in the region of 250 million rand. Today, we actually turn over close on 5 billion rand. We've got 11 sites across the country, plus we're also overseas.
As Interfood, we employ in excess of 8,000 people nationally. But if you look at what we have here in Banero Park, we're looking at an additional 600 jobs over the next 2 years.
The GIDZ want to create employment. We're actually employing a lot of people, and I think that's something that was attracted to the GIDZ. There's other benefits around being in an SEZ environment with regards to tax incentives around employment and around export.
Then there's the Southern Precinct. We are developing custom-made, custom-built for the end-user requirements itself, a world-class facility for jewelry and diamond beneficiators.
Design at 50 form part of the jewelry manufacturing precinct around the airport. The intention is to develop highly skilled jewelry designers. Our graduates then have the opportunity to move to the post-incubation hub that will be set up at OR Tambo, where they'll have access to high-end technology.
Our focus as the SEZ is to enable products that can be air freighted. There's the third project. We have close to 15,000 square meters that we have earmarked for development of platinum group metal beneficiation and equipment. I'm an optimist. I believe in this country. I know what we are capable of, and it will have a signature that will leave this country and a product that we can export to the globe. For me, that is satisfying.